Classroom vocabulary and phrases. Classroom vocabulary. Backpack. Board. Book. Cell phone. Chair. Chalk. Computer. Desk. Door. Eraser. Globe. Marker. Notebook. Pen. Pencil. Pencil case. Ruler. Table. Wall. Window.
Let's play a game. Look at the picture. Can you find the school objects? Can you find the backpack? Great! The green backpack is on the right side. Can you find the pen? Yes, the black pen is on the left side. Can you find the ruler? Well done! The green ruler is next to the eraser. Can you find the eraser? That's right! The pink eraser is behind the sharpener. Can you find the markers? Perfect! There are 4 colorful markers on the right: pink, purple, green, and yellow. Can you find the pencil? Good job! The striped pencil is next to the pen. Can you find the chalk? Correct! The white chalk is at the bottom corner. Can you find the sharpener? Awesome! The silver sharpener is in front. You found them all! You are a superstar!
Classroom language. Useful phrases. Look at the board. This is a desk. Close your books, please. Close the door. Open the door. Open the window. Read the text. Stand up. Sit down. Turn off your cell phone. Please stop talking.